And in the universe. The land where we were born. The nation where we grew up. So many colors that live together in peace. With a million timeless treasures. With an abundance of natural wealth. Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
अंकल जी की क्या पूछो देख ले क्या कहते हैं सवा 11 सवा 11